everyone, welcome back to Learning Experience with Diva. Today I'm going to give a small talk about how to create Google Forms. Google Forms is an online platform where you can create your quizzes online instead of just writing and typing it. Okay, so let's just go with our video today. Okay, so after you go to the website which is forms.google.com, it brings you to this page. Okay, after you enter this page, you have to click this button, this plus button. Okay, you have to click this first, and then it directs you into a new form. Okay, and then this one has you can type in any quizzes you want. Okay, science, mathematics, chemistry, okay, biology, a lot of things. Okay, so today we're going to talk about COVID-19. Okay, so we just type in as COVID-19 quiz. Okay, and in the form description, the top section I usually put in as name and age. Okay, so if you don't like that, you can just straight away start with your questions. Okay, so first the form description, I'm just going to put like 2 stars. Okay, and the first question will be name. Okay, after you type in name, it automatically turns into a short answer text. That means they just have to type in their name over here. Okay, and then one thing is a very important thing in this one. You have to click this required button over here. Okay, if not, if you didn't click on this required button, the people who submitted the quiz, they don't even need to type in their name, so you won't be able to see who did this quiz. Okay, and then age. Also, again, it's a short answer text. Make sure required button. Okay, now if you want to move on to the question selection, okay, go to this button over here, this add section button. You click on this and it becomes another more section like this. So in the second section, it usually tells section title and description is optional. So but I want to put in the title, so I want to just type in COVID-19 quiz, and description, choose the correct answer, because this is a question selection. Okay, and then question number 1, how about we do where did COVID-19 started? Okay, so we type in Beijing, China, Wuhan, China, New York, United States of America. Okay, this might, just might, some can like confuse the submitters if they are like small children doing this quiz, because right now USA is standing in the top place with COVID-19 cases, but started is Wuhan, China. So that's kind of surprising, right? So the last one, we type in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, because okay, then required. Of course, you need to click on this required button. Okay, after that, you'll be thinking, how do this quiz know what is the correct answer? Actually, the quiz doesn't know, but some very common questions, the quiz itself will give you the answer. Okay, but this is not such a common questions. Okay, so we go all the way up here, and there's a setting button over here. You can see a settings button. You click on this settings button, go to quizzes, and then click on this, make this a quiz. Assign point values to questions and allow auto grading. Okay, so you click on this and this all comes. And then you have to click on save. Okay, and then after you go here, there's a new option which is answer key. Okay, so if you click on this answer key, it will ask you, see, look here, choose correct answers. So obviously the correct answer is Wuhan, China. Okay, so I click on Wuhan, China. And then points. You can add as much point as you want. I usually add 5, so I'm going to add 5 right now. And then there's one more here. Add answer feedback. Answer feedback is like when after the respondents can see their answers marked, they can see if incorrect answers, you like put in don't give up. Okay, like that. And correct answers, good job. Okay, like this. So after they got their marks out, they can see these two in their below the questions. Okay, like this it will be. Okay, and then at last click done. Okay, and now one more. This purplish color. I don't like purple. Well, there's a lot of people who doesn't like purple. So purple. Okay. So you go this palette button over here, the customize theme button. You click on this. You can choose red, orange, green, blue. There's all type of options. If you don't want this one also, you can click on this choose image button and it brings up a header image on top of your Google Forms. Since COVID-19 is more about scientific things, I'm just going to add these conical flasks. Okay, so just click on the button and click on insert. So it brings up the picture. Okay, it's right here. But after you upload the image, the color will be limited. Most likely, it will be limited only. But you can add any other color, but it won't be it won't suit well for the particular header image you got put. Okay, and then you can change these font styles here. Okay, now there's basic, decorative. Wow, so decorative. Formal. Whoa, so formal. Playful. Ooh, so playful. You can change many types. Okay, so formal. That looks nice. Okay, it's very, very formal. Oh my god, very, very formal. Okay, and then you can close this. And then, if you want to know where to get the link for this form, how the respondents will do, and I can give you the answer for that. You should go to the send button over here. Okay, click on this link button, and then there's a long link over here. You don't need to copy this long link. There is a selection called shorten URL. Click on that, and there's a small one, copy, and there's copy to clipboard, and then you give that link to your respondents, and that's easy as it. We are done. Okay, so make sure to try this out, guys. Okay, and with that, I'm going to end this video right here. Bye.